Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to install games on Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now to install your games on Steam account, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam account on which you want to install that game. As I have already logged into my Steam account over here on the Steam app on my PC, and on this interface on the store section you can see where over here we'll be required to search for that particular game which you want to install. So in order to do that, let's go for a trending game. Currently we'll be searching for the PUBG game over here, and let's enter it, and all of the recommendations with the game which you have searched will be over here. Now you can also buy a particular game. You can see there is the prices for the games, and some of the games are free over here. Now let's go with the PUBG game. Since it's free, click on that game over here which you want to install, and you land over here. You can see now it's free to play. Either you can play to the game, either you can play the game or add to library. So let's click on the play game, and you can see guys, this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to install that game on your drive. So click on the install button over here, and that game will be downloaded and installed on your computer momentarily, and you will be able to play it. So guys, click on install, and that game will be installed on your Steam account. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to install a particular game on your Steam account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.